Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add time, hours, minutes, seconds in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding time in Google Sheets, whether it's hours, minutes, or seconds, is a straightforward process that serves practical purposes across various scenarios. Because, for example, it's very important for tracking work hours, project durations, or time spent on tasks. It helps in maintaining accurate records for payroll, billing clients, or monitoring productivity because adding time allows you to calculate the duration between events, appointments, or milestones. This is useful for scheduling, event planning, and analyzing in time intervals. Now, we have a sample here from Andy and Guide. For example, they have started like Tuesday. Let's type in Tuesday. And Guide is going to be going to work around Tuesday as well. Now, Andy logged in around 4:20. And Guide is going to be around 6:09. Now, if we wanted to calculate the logout hours that Andy has spent working in a company, all right, we have to go to the logout section. Okay, so of course, just enter the value that's going to be from day and press enter. All right. Now, after that, you see, when you put in, let's say he worked for like 8 hours, nothing happens, right? So for that to happen, we need to, now for us to be able to do that, we need to put in another formula, which is going to be 8. For example, he worked for 8 hours. Let's put in a symbol equal sign 8 for 8 hours of work divided by 24 hours. All right, you see the values is 0.3, but I'm gonna make it like maybe he worked overtime 10. Now the value has changed. Now on minutes, this is a little bit tricky, but all I got to remember is you have to divide the minutes within in an hour. Like for example, 15 divided by 24 and by 60 in an hour, right? Same goes with the seconds. We have to divide the day in an hour. It's going to be like 45. And divide the hours in minutes. And of course, divide the minutes in seconds. And press enter. Alright, so again, this has been autofilled. And then the next thing that you need to do, this is very important, alright? Now, I need you to select the hours, minutes, and seconds. And go to format. Go to number. And click on duration. You see, this is going to be the working hours time spent. That's going to be 10 hours, 15 minutes, and 45 seconds, which is very handy, right? Now, by knowing this, adding time can reveal discrepancies or errors in data entries related to time. It helps in validating integrity and ensuring consistency in recorded timestamps or durations. And of course, it plays a crucial role in various professional and personal contexts supporting data management and of course, time-related information. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.